How to find AirDrop files on an iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. To find AirDrop files, first, know that the location depends on file type. Once inside, you can tap the Recents tab to see if your file is listed at the top. For a structured search, go to the Browse tab. AirDropped files often save to the Downloads folder. Then, check inside the iCloud Drive location. Tap on it, then open the Downloads folder to look for your file. If it's not there, it might be saved locally. Return to Browse and tap on My iPhone. Check the Downloads folder here as well. Following these steps, you can easily find your AirDropped files on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.